So today, young people from various organizations and neighborhoods are coming together to do some relationship building, some team building, and really some consciousness raising around issues that are going on in their communities, issues that are important to them.
So what would you change? Do you remember what you would change about your neighborhoods or the neighborhoods you used to live in if you could?
I would change like all the residential areas, like the housing. I also bring like different things we need in the community, such as like recreational centers, so like the kids can go to and get educated.
Hearing all your guys' words, so this seems great that we have word in changing our community to make it better.
No more living down in this ugly neighborhood. Oh, there's shootings, whatever, all the time. No, it's time to change it. So I know that all of us together, we can do it. So just keep it up.